Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports, where we've just acquired this lovely Kia Sportage. It's the CRDi diesel. Got a lovely specification on it. It's been kept in good condition for its age and mileage. We're just going to get it serviced, just going to get it MOT'd. So you've got the rear privacy glass. Wheels are in absolutely spot on condition. Rear park distance control. And the boot area is really nice and large. Been well looked after as well. Down the side, it's been great condition down there. Wheels all in good condition. A full leather interior. Panoramic sunroof, twin panoramic roof. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Full leather interior. Just start the car up. Car's an 89, 386 miles. It's got cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, aircon, AUX, USB, 6-speed gearbox, Bluetooth connectivity. Nice armrest there. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please just call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.